description and purpose, she fell deeply in love with life itself, and that became tourism visionary, from transforming his 172-year-old Shimla cottage into a boutique hotel to pioneering in a big round of applause for Shwamar Bami. Dehradun in his DNA, Boston and Rome in his pride, inventor, proud nerd, global shuttler, forever tinkering, forever connecting, rooted in Dehradun, wired to the Maatir Maanush, who has taken the coach. I was a lonely Vyapari, training in fashion, and lived for her and danced as her eternal companions. Cooking and Ayurveda are her gifts of nurture, blending flavors and healing into everyday life. Her rhythm flows to her children, and tonight her walk is a song of joy. A reminder that beauty is harmony, where tradition and joy walk hand in hand. Secret of nature's embrace, she has been a successful lawyer, guided by faith and grace. Tonight, she doesn't just walk the ramp, she